Hey there, good morning. I'm Colonel Wolf Halton and I'm here at Piedmont Park. They are getting ready for the Atlanta Pride Festival and I just came out to enjoy the weather. Going to a pig farm, I'm going there today. Going to a pig farm, I'll soon be on my way. If you'd like to come along, then we'll make it a day. Going to my pig farm, we're going there today. When I get my pig farm, I'll be living at my ease. Living on my pig farm, I'll do just as I please. And if you disagree with me, I'll send you on your way. Living on my pig farm, you do just what I say. If you come to my pig farm, I'll feed you bread and eggs. And if you ask for bacon, I'll feed you to the pigs. The pigs get very picky about who comes near the sty, especially those bad people who want to eat their thigh. I see some people out there chuckling in their beer, but all my pigs are Christians, you can tell when you come near. They have the smell of sanctity and you can hear them say, please come to our pig farm, but be prepared to pay. That's the Pig Farm song. 1981.